Hey guys, good morning. Very good morning. Sharing my screen. Uploading a new material. Please download that. Uploading a new material. Please download that. So we'll continue this room only for some days. Not like this room. No. That's human nature. ల్యాప్టాప్ పెట్టుకోవడానికి ప్లేస్ లేదా? అది ప్లేస్ ఉందా? అరే व्हाट हैपन? वो 10:30 बैच, वो 10:30 बैच बहुत ज्यादा लोग है। स्टार्टिंग में बहुत ज्यादा लगा हुआ था ना, बाद में थोड़ा कम लोग आता, लाइक यू। So then we'll come to that class after 10-15 days. NLP, NLP maybe next week, Saturday. Every Saturday NLP only. Next week onwards. Every Saturday 4 hours NLP only. 4 hours. Don't want to come 4 hours. Download it, ma. Download it. This. Linear regression using Streamlit. There's a one GIF file is there. Please download the GIF file. And same as yesterday we done, right? There's a GIF file I uploaded. Download the GIF file, extract it. And please confirm the chat. Linear regression using Streamlit. Priyanka ready for full day class? I am also ready to teach, but you are not practicing, no? That is the problem. Aja. Hey, download this meanwhile. Linear regression with Streamlit. ఇక్కడ ఉందిగా చైర్. ఓపెన్ చేయి, ఏపీఐతో కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి చేస్తుంటే టైమ్ అవుట్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. మా మేనేజర్ కింద మీద పడిపోయింది పాపం. ఏం చేయాలని అర్థంగా. ఏపీఐతో కాల్ చేస్తుంటే మామూలుగా ఒక పేజ్లో రన్ చేస్తేనేమో రన్ అవుతుంది. మన ఏపీఐలో కాల్ చేసినాం అనుకో, యూఆర్ఎల్ చేసి క్లిక్ చేసినాం అనుకో, కదా టైమ్ అవుట్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. రెస్పాన్స్ టైమ్ అవుట్ అంటే మళ్ళీ ఏసింక్ అసింక్రోనస్ వే ఆఫ్ పైథాన్ ఉంటుంది చూసినావా, వెయిటింగ్ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. అది వస్తుంది. Please download this file, linear regression with using Streamlit ma. That is a zip file, download it, unzip karo. File upload file dot name. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ read dot csv ఇచ్చాం కదా, ప్రైవేట్ ఫైల్ ఇచ్చినావు, ఇప్పుడు ఫైల్ నేమ్ తీసుకుంటుంది. ఇది మ్యాండేటరా ఇలా రాయాలా? అవసరం లేదు కదా. ఇది అప్లోడ్ ఫైల్ మళ్ళీ నీకు అక్కడి నుంచే లేదు కదా, ఫాస్ట్ అయిపోయేదే కదా, ఇది కూడా అవసరం లేదు కదా. ఫైల్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. అదే ఫైల్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్. అక్కడ మనం మామూలుగా ఫ్లాస్క్ లో పోస్ట్ అని ఇక్కడ సపరేట్ గా మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఇలాగే ఇవ్వాలి. ఏ మెథడ్ ఉంటే ఆ మెథడ్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఫైల్ నేమ్ సేమ్ ఇలాగే తీసుకున్నా నేను. తీసుకున్నాక నాకు ఏమైందంటే ఫైల్ వచ్చుడు కష్టం అయిపోయింది.
అది ఇక్కడ కొంచెం సెట్టింగ్ ఉంది సార్.
ఎక్కడ
టాలెంట్ లో ఇలా యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ మీరు కంటెంట్ టైప్ ఈజీ ఫామ్ డేటా పెట్టాలి. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఇది ఫైల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. మనం ఇక్కడ మామూలుగా అయితే టెక్స్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఫైల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. దాని తర్వాత ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ నేమ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి.
వచ్చా అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక నిమిషం,
దీని ముందు నేను చాలా అంటే ట్రై చేసి వచ్చింది. ఆల్రెడీ పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ లో వచ్చింది,
పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ లో వస్తుంది, కానీ అది రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటంటే టాలెంట్ అన్నారు. ఈ టాలెంట్ లో ఫైల్ యూస్ రాకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఏది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ కనిపిస్తలేదు.
దేనికి యూజ్ చేసిన పోస్ట్ మ్యాన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి.
వాడు తిక్కలోడు,
వాళ్ళే వాడు
తిక్కలు నాయాల వాడు. అరే ఏదైనా ఒకటే కదా, నీకు ఎవడైనా బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ రాస్తాడు కదా.
ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది
టాలెంట్ దా.
ఇలాంటివి
చేస్తేనేమో వాడు అలా అంటే ఇలాగే కావాలంటాడు. ఇక సరే ఇప్పుడైతే కాదు, తర్వాత అవుతుంది అని చెప్పిన. ఇప్పుడు అప్లోడ్ ఫైల్
ఇలా అవుతుంది. అలా ఇది అక్సెప్ట్ చేయట్లేదు సార్. మనం ఇట్లా టెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తే
అదే చేయట్లేదు.
మల్టీ ఫామ్ మల్టీ పార్ట్ ఫాస్ట్ అయిపోయి సపోర్ట్ చేయట్లేదు సార్. ఇది కాదు.
ఓకే, ఫాస్ట్ అయిపోయి దీనికి లింక్ అవ్వట్లేదు అలా పెడితే.
మల్టీ పార్ట్ ఫామ్ డేటా,
మల్టీ పార్ట్ ఫామ్ డేటా. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మనకు
ఇక్కడ టెక్స్ట్
టెక్స్ట్కి ఇక్కడ మనకు యాడ్ పారామీటర్ లోకి వెళ్ళి
ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ అని ఇవ్వండి. మీరు ఏదైతే ఇక్కడ
ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఇస్తామో ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ ఇచ్చి ఇక్కడ చూసి ఫైల్
అంతే.
థ్యాంక్స్. డన్ మా. Please confirm the chat, those who are completed. Download it, it is a zip file. Bobby, come here. Take the chair. Tell me, explain me. Bobby, Bobby. बोलो ना.
it's part of the random forest. Then we pick random sample. Suppose there is 1,000 observation. First we take 250 observation. And again this 250 will include on this.
How we divide the data?
जब अपन second time check करते हैं ना तो same में आता हो 63 और
So it is called bootstrap.
bootstrap with sample with replacement 37 that 63 से अपन train data train कर सकते हैं मतलब it's enough for that रो 37 उसको ही अपन out of back data और test data कर सकते हैं सर वो कभी-कभी लेस होता है इसके लिए अपन argumentative technique भी यूज कर सकते हैं
Correct only, na? You are already explained. That's great. Like that only. Nothing will happen. Subject, huh? Peter talks.
So I saw my friends one of real time project. There is they are treat out clear with sir directly isolation forest sir, not with the main gradient. So it is possible in a can I possibly random forest sir?
Random forest
Isolation forest के sir direct place किया था sir.
You can do that. चलो.
Important नहीं है.
Hierarchical. That will do Python with Python.
Question क्या पूछेंगे?
Hierarchical clustering. Oh, cluster type na hierarchical cluster you want to explain the linkage functions. Simple linkage, complete linkage, dendrogram. Okay, ma. So the idea here is so first day one we developed the ML model. We developed ML model 1 minute. Yes. Why 1 week aitanda? Acha. Sir, petition. Okay, we developed linear regression ML model. We developed ML model that is called linear regression. Linear regression on wine quality data set. Wine quality data set. That is, we developed ML linear regression wine quality data set, and then also we saved the model. We save the model in local. We save the model in local, and we also tested. We also loaded the model again, and pass the test cases in Python notebook. This is the day one. Correct? Agree with me, everyone? So this is we done. And you know that today I will share the books also, updated books. Day two. So we use the saved model. This time we pass the predictions. We pass the test cases using API call. Same procedure only. What we have done? We use the saved model and we pass the test cases using API call. and that is nothing but using Flask. Using Flask and Postman. Using Flask and Postman. This is the third use case, kind of a day 3. Now this also, we use the saved model only. Here also we use saved model. Saved model. This time we'll create the application. We'll create the front-end application. Front-end application. In that application, this model requires 11 input values. 11 input values. So think like that. Imagine like an application form. Like application form. You need to fill like a name. You fill like age. You fill like gender. Like how that application form look like. Your application also, front-end application also look like same. So you will enter the values. Then backend the code will run the saved model and will give the output. Understood now? For that, we will use called Streamlit. What will you use called? Streamlit. The package name is called Streamlit. Package name is called Streamlit. If you open VS Code, again, app streamlit.py is nothing but it is a Streamlit function. You know, WineRed.ipynb is used to develop the model.pickle file. Then when you run this code, your model.pickle file will come to here. And this .ipynb using which data set? Wine quality red data set. So tell me a story. By using wine quality red data set, we are running the linear regression wine red Python code and we are getting the linear wine model pickle file. And that pickle file we will use in which one now? App Streamlit. App Streamlit. For that, what is the requirement.txt? Streamlit. What is the requirement.txt? Streamlit. So you need to install pip install Streamlit or pip install this command you need to run. What is the command now? Everyone run this command. Pip install or requirements.txt. Run that command, everyone. Pip install -r pip install -r pip install -r, or you want to directly pip install Streamlit also you can run. Not there in requirements. There, no, I'm able to see. I'm able to see, ma. Utkarsh. If it is not there, do normally. Pip install Streamlit you do. If that is very tough for you, write manually. Pip install Streamlit. Yesterday, some people are worked on Anaconda prompt, right? Now also you do Anaconda prompt only. Open Anaconda prompt parallelly. Open Anaconda prompt parallelly because two terminals are different terminals. Type here pip install Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. Yesterday you have achieved the flash thing, right? That in which terminal you have done, use that terminal only. Pip install Streamlit. Use that only. Please confirm that installation is completed or not. Everyone, Please confirm that once you done, installation is done or not. Suresh is done. Very good. Please confirm the chat, ma. Those are facing issues, please talk to me. Done. How many are done here? Very good. So now come to the app.streamlit.py. Just look at the code now, how it will look like. The first part you already know. Importing the packages. First part you already know, importing the packages. In that NumPy is masked, is very enabled, very highlightly, but NP is not enabled. Have you noticed that? In the VS Code, the color NumPy is the bright, but NP is the dark. Little dark, correct? That means NPR you are not used in the entire Python code. What is the meaning of that? You did not use that NP. You use the pickle. That's why pickle is brightest. You didn't use the PD. You didn't use the PD. You just imported, but you are not using that. Understood? So VS Code has that flexibility is there. It will show the error. It will show the mistakes. It will show the problems and will show that which is used or not. And Streamlit you already used. That's why ST is the brightest. ST is the, see in your code. You might not able to see here. See in your VS Code. Compare ST symbol. Compare PD letters. ST is the brightest. ST is the brightest compared to PD. Compared to PD and NP and image. That. Close that back set. And image. That is. So you are not using this. So your file will run here in the VS Code itself. Not a problem. Now, here you loaded the model 19th line and 20th line. You loaded the model and that you already know that is. You loaded the model, correct? Correct, Deepak? You loaded the model. Then Deepak is not concentrating today. No? 19th and 20th line is, you already know that is we done many times. Total 3 days we are doing it only. We are saved the model and we loaded the model. And then come to here, I created a one function 27th, predict note authentication function that you can give any function name that you already know. What it is doing? It is reading a model with name is what? Classifier, and it is predicting classifier dot predict. In that list of values, how many values you need to take? 11 values. That also you already know. And this is a function. In this function, you are using 11 values. That's why inside the function also I have provided how many values? 11 values. That is a simple function creation. So 27th line 2, it is a simple function creation. This 27 entire thing. Can you please confirm the chat? Everyone is good that. You are doing the model dot predict. What you are doing like this? You are doing like this. Model dot predict. You loaded the model, that is with the name of classifier. Classifier is equal to pickle dot load and your path of the model. Path of the model. Open bracket and path of the model you provided. Path of the model you provided. Any model that is the same thing, comma, that you are reading or writing. You are reading or writing, ma? You are reading. So it is a RB. That's it. Model is done. This model, you what you want to use? You will apply the classifier dot predict. Classifier dot predict. Inside what you need to pass? You need to pass a list of values. V1, V1, comma, V2, comma, V3. Like that, you have to pass the values. How many values? That is the question. Originally, your model is developed on how many columns? 11 columns. So how many values you need to pass? 11 values. Tomorrow might be only one column is there. You need to pass only one value. For that, I created a function. Def, the suppose predict, bracket, colon, then I given the value here. But this predict is using V1, V. Now this is a which variable? Classifier is what? Global variable. It is above the function. So it is not a problem. Not a. So who is make the problem? V1, V2, V3. That's why we are writing V1 here, comma, V2 here, comma, V3. And that is only that function. 11 values you are providing in the array and the 11 values you provided in the list as the arguments. That function is done. So you are good at that function, right? Next, this is a very, very important. Yesterday, I told you this is a main function. What is your app name? App name is what? Title. st dot title. Title equal to what? Wine quality. Title equal to what? Wine quality. Now, if you see here, your Streamlit will only take care of your front-end app. Okay? Streamlit. Streamlit is a very, very easy and you can easily learn that. Streamlit. All apps you can provide by using Streamlit. So import Streamlit as st.write. What you want to write here? My first tab, hello world. Just execute it. Just write and execute it. You go here, open one fresh note, open one fresh book here. Here, select a language, Python, do it. Select a language, Python. Create a one Python notebook. Control S. Again, I'm repeating. In this black color, click on like this. What will come? Select a language will come. Which language you want to write your code? Python. Type Python. What is the name is coming? Untitled. So change the name as Control S by applying Control S. When you do Control S, what happen? This file we want is as the name. You write anything. Streamlit test. Streamlit underscore test. You are doing some test. Streamlit hyphen underscore test. Save as to Python is there. Just save it. Just save it. Now name has changed to what? Streamlit underscore test. If you are not able to ask me. Streamlit underscore test. Now import the package. What is the package? Import Streamlit. Import Streamlit as st. Just copy from the Google only, same like this only. What is saying, just explain that only. Okay. Now do that. st dot write karo. st dot write it. Now do that. st dot write it. st dot write it. Hello, this is my first application. White color is there, save it. White color is there, save it. White color is there, save it. Generally, we run our Python files in the terminal. Generally we run our Python files in terminal. How will run ma? Python space and the file name, right? File name. That will write generally. You know that. But Streamlit files, you not run like this. But Streamlit files, you need to run Streamlit run and your file name. What your file name is called here? So Streamlit run Streamlit test.py. Instead of Python, we need to write what? Streamlit run. In the terminal, you need to run like this. Now save it, now run it. Where this file is located, you need to go to that location, correct? cd space, but unfortunately or fortunately, this is the same location is there. ML regression with same location. For me, it is the same location. Ma. Can you please confirm the chart? Are you following? Everyone is following, right? Utkarsh is good, Priyanka is good. What about others? Shravani is good. Import Streamlit as st.write. Hello, this is my first tab. You can write anything that is. Hello, Deepak. Also, you can write it. Generally, we run our Python file in terminal how? Python space file name. But whenever you use Streamlit files, what do you need to run? Streamlit run Streamlit dot test app dot. This is a Python file name. What is the name? This is the name, right? Now run it. Streamlit run Streamlit dot test py. Now it will open a HTML page like this, and this is coming. Hello, this is my first tab. Streamlit. This is the name, no? File name this is. Streamlit run. Streamlit space run file name. Do it, ma. Let me know everyone is available till here or not. Because you didn't install. You are installed? Install. But still is coming. Spelling, check the spelling. Streamlit. Check the spelling. Come here. The VS Code is problem. Like that all. Why this is so brightness లేదు? క్లోజ్ చేసి సార్ ఓపెన్ చేయి. ఇలా రన్ కాకపోతే అనకుండా ప్రాబ్లం రన్ చేయి ఒకసారి. విఎస్ కోడ్ అలాగే ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తుంది. Why model? Model is not required. No, do write what I'm saying. That is one. Okay. They are doing that step by step. Streamlit ka problem. Pip install Streamlit. Close and open. Try it on. Close and open. And if not possible, it is the same problem. Do in Anaconda prompt. Some people are getting Streamlit is not recognized the trace. Close and open VS Code ma. Restart the VS Code. Close and open the VS Code. Those who are getting that Streamlit is not recognized. No, you need to write like this. Streamlit. First of all, you need to save the file. Okay, white dot is there. And second is you need to run like this. Streamlit run and what is the name?
Stream list.
Stream. You need to write like this. First you need to write like this. Streamlit list test. This is the command for starting Streamlit space run. File does not exist. It's saying that. What is the location of this file? What is the location of this file? This is the location, no? Then why you are not doing this location? In the DS, in the linear, in the again one more folder is there. What, sir? This is a common mistake. You should not do, no? Please open and close it, ma. Those who are getting spelling mistake. ఇది ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఇవ్వాలి 1 2 ఇలా రావాలి దగ్గర రావాలి ఆ మధ్యలో ఇది రాసి ఈ మొత్తం నా మధ్యలో రాసి దూరం అయిపోయినాయి మన ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఇవ్వాలి ఫైల్ నేమ్ అంటే ఇన్ని ఫైల్ నేమ్ పేరు ఏం పేరు పైథాన్ 1 అది ఇవ్వాలి
సార్ అండర్లైన్స్ అనుకోవచ్చు
ఇక్కడ అండర్లైన్స్ అంటే ఎర్రర్ ఇది అంటే వార్నింగ్ కెనాట్ రిజాల్వ్డ్ మేబీ నీకు ఎర్రర్ రావచ్చు no module name Streamlit. Pip install Streamlit. Those who are getting the Streamlit error, just close and open after you install also. Kumar వస్తుందా రావట్లే అనుకోండాలి చేసి అనుకోండా కూడా రావట్లే చేద్దాం This is the real time problems. ఇది ఎలా రన్ చేయాలంటే ఇది కమాండ్ సేమ్ ఇలాగా టైప్ చేయాలి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నీ ఫైల్ ఈ లొకేషన్ లో చూసుకోవాలి నువ్వు సో ఇదే లొకేషన్ లో ఉంది ఫైల్ మాధురి లీనియర్ రిగ్రెషన్ దానిలోనే సో Streamlit run then Python లొకేషన్ లేనట్టుందమ్మా Python 1.py let's see Python 1 ఉంది కదా ఈ ఫైల్ ని ఇంత స్పేస్ ఇవ్వద్దు, అది పైథాన్ స్పేస్ అలా ఇవ్వద్దు. రీనేమ్. Does not extension. అంతేమ్మా, ఇది ఇక్కడ కాపీ పాత్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇదే పాత్ మీరు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారంటే ఒక లీనియర్ రిగ్రెషన్ లో ఇంకో ఫోల్డర్ ఉంది, నువ్వు ఒకటే ఫోల్డర్ ఇచ్చావు. యాక్చువల్గా 2 ఫోల్డర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. రైట్ క్లిక్ వెళ్ళి కాపీ పాత్ అని ఉంటుంది, రైట్ క్లిక్ కొడితే పని చేయట్లేదు. ఆ పాత్ తీసుకోవాలి, అంటే పాత్ సిడి స్పేస్ అని తీసుకొని ఆ పాత్ రీరైట్ చేసి కమాండ్ రన్ చేయి, మళ్ళీ వర్క్ అవుతుంది. పాత్ రీరైట్ చేసుకోవాలి. So some people are saying Anaconda is working. How many are done? Raise your hands. Enter it. No, 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 don't enter email enter చేయకు. ఈమెయిల్ కింద రాసలేదు, ఒకటి ఏం రాసింది, స్కిప్ అని లేదా, ఇంకా స్కిప్ అని ఉంటుంది. మామూలుగా ఎంటర్ కొట్టు, జనరల్గా ఎంటర్ చేసి. ఈమెయిల్ ఎంటర్ కాదు, ఎంటర్ బటన్ రన్ చేయి, ఎంటర్. Skip that. Suresh is done, Shravya is done, Shankar is done. Deepak, क्या हुआ? सौरव हो रहा? अविनाश आजा, come fast ma. Those are not able to done.
And also they are Python terminal.
What is the path?
Same path. Like
This one, huh? Name?
sir, same name.
Allow karo. Kaja, those are getting error. Come here. Those are getting error. You do these steps, okay? First, pip uninstall. Streamlit karo. And close the terminal. Again open Anaconda. And again pip install. Streamlit karo. That is not installed properly. Those who are getting error, it is not installed properly. Do this. First pip uninstall Streamlit karo. Do step by step. And then enter close that. Complete close that. If you want, you can restart your system also. Fine. Okay. Then next, again open Anaconda prompt. And again do that pip install Streamlit. That is not installed properly. And again close it. Again close the terminal. And again open. Now for testing purpose, just type Streamlit. Just type Streamlit and enter. Do this. First pip uninstall karo. Pip uninstall Streamlit, then close the terminal. Again open Anaconda terminal. Pip install Streamlit karo. That is one part. Again close the terminal. Again open the terminal. Now for testing purpose, just type the Streamlit. Now you'll see some answers. You'll see some answers. Then you write your as usual command. Yes, you need to give. While you are uninstalling, it will ask why or no, yes or no, okay? Give yes. Here. That one, you done just down. Why that history resource is coming? Even they uninstalled. What happened in Anaconda? Not work. There na? But what is the path? Is the path? What is the name?
Sample.py.
Tell me more. Raise your hands. How many are getting error? One. Renuka, what happened? Only one? Why are pulling her hand? Can sit there. No. Ujma, you can sit there. That is the beauty. Anaconda is working. Anyone is working is fan, ma. I told you, right? Terminals are different. You no need to worry. I want to do only in the VS Code. That might be possible, not possible. Okay. Don't that much hard to the Python. Okay. That means you are not following steps, my steps. See? I followed the same steps. आया? आजा. चलो उजमा. Follow my steps, ma. It will work. First of all, open CMD. Okay. Don't open here. Now tell me where is the file is there. Streamlit. Pip. Install. Streamlit. You didn't install it. Read it. Where is the location? This is the location. What the file name? Anaconda prompt in. Antivirus. Come like that only or what? आ रहा है ना? What's the problem? No problem in your laptop. You can check properly. Come. Those are getting error. Come on, fast. Navadeep, do in the Anaconda, not in VS Code. This one, no? File is there.
Sure.
Okay, na? अरे you are not checking properly. Why? क्या रहा है अभी? Magic है. Not checking properly. VS Code में होगा. You need to check like that only. But it will kill the time. That's all. We can do that everywhere. Chalo, can you please confirm the chat, ma? How many are facing the issue? In the offline, I think everyone has resolved. Kumar, what happened? Done. What happened, ma? Anuradha. అయిపోయిందా ఆ అమ్మాయికి హెల్ప్ చేసిన వెనకాల అమ్మాయికి అయిపోయిందా చెప్పమ్మా అయిపోయిందా అందరిది జయంత్ డన్ అరే నువ్వు ఇంకా వస్తలేవు ఇక్కడే కూర్చున్నావు ఆహా ఇది ఎర్రర్ మా ఇది కోడ్ ఎర్రర్ పైథాన్తో రన్ చేయదు అలా స్ట్రీమ్ లిట్ రన్ అని కొట్టాలి రాసావు కదా స్ట్రీమ్ లిట్ రన్ అని నీకు లేదు ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ వర్క్ అవుతలేదు అనకొండలో కూడా పైథాన్ కదా స్ట్రీమ్ లిట్ అయింది కదా ఎట్లా మా ప్రవళిక అట్లయితే అక్కడ రాసావు రెడ్ కోట్స్ లో ఇది స్ట్రీమ్ లిట్ రన్ అని మళ్ళీ పైథాన్ రన్ చేస్తే ఎట్లా చలో enter दबाओ Navdeep enter दबाओ use anaconda prompt is only your best friend because VS Code is got hot on you because you didn't practice much VS Code like me. I am disappointed with you. VS Code also disappointed with you. Tit for tat. Enjoy that. It will not stop. Now come here, ma. Now check the code now. So everyone got the idea about Streamlit, right? Got the idea, right? Idea. Okay. Now please look at this code, ma. Please look at the code now. And this is a HTML file. I told you, right? Dev style. What is the background color? Tomato, padding, 10px. This is you can take from Google, like which color you want, which style you want, that everything that is. The React.js people knows better than us. You don't need to worry about that, okay? And then title means what happened? Title means it will give the big title. Write means whatever you're writing that will print. Write you already know. If you give the title here, st.title, we provide st.title, then you can give any title, Streamlit application, control S karo and refresh karo. Here Streamlit application. You don't need to run Python file every time here. If you change the code and save it and you refresh it, that's all. This is the title and this is the write-up. That is the write-up. Understood? So just try it that also. st.title, Streamlit application karo, save it and don't run again. Let it keep like that only. Come to the application, refresh it. And you'll see the title. You'll see the title. st.title, Streamlit application. आ गया? Now check here again. Now markdown, you already know the markdown. In order to run this HTML page, you need to write here in the markdown HTML page. Okay, you can save this. You can save this and run in the some HTML file. Suppose you can open some notepad file, HTML way. Any HTML file is there in your local? In your laptop, any HTML file is there? Any HTML file is there? You can you can check that HTML file, but no need to worry. Now what you are providing, ma? Fixed acidity. What you are providing? ht.input. This is the input, ma. Text input. What is the input? Text input. What is the name of that? Fixed. Now just run this. ht.text input. Just copy this and run here. Copy this and run here. Suppose the line number 15. Save it. And rerun again. See, there is a fixed acidity drop down box aa gaya. A box aa gaya with them fixed acidity. That is nothing but an input. ht.text input. Whatever you write here, that will be visible in the app. Whatever you write here, that will come in the box. It is like our user input. In eval of input of. Enter the number will write now. In the same way, text input. So we are providing the input. How many boxes we need to write like this? 11 boxes. Because 11 inputs are there, right? So that's why if you see that here, there are 11 boxes are there. There are 11 boxes are there. Volatile acidity input, 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 everything is input. And finally you are creating a button. Finally you are creating what? Button. Type button now in another way. st.button. st.button. Suppose button name. Button name is the predict. Now save it and check here. Rerun. Look at the button. Look at the button. These small things, open a new file and check the confirmation. Everyone. Now you can able to understand that big code, what we have written. Now markdown means how you want your page look like, what is the background, what is everything, that is the markdown. And you want to provide 11 inputs. So 11 boxes you provided, text input, text input, text input. And you want to enter the button, na? Whenever you enter the button, what you need to take, that values you need to take backend and your classifier prediction code should run. The values to take the backend, and that's why we are calling which function? Prediction function. This prediction function above is there, right? 27th line. What this function is taking? It is taking all the values and will give the answer. Whenever you do the button, the function is calling. That is called if st.button. And here we already know whenever you give the user input, the type is what? String type. That's why we convert into what? Eval. Same Python story only. Eval of input of. Now this is the result. This is the result. You are clicking one more button also. About button. If you click the about button, there's a textual display. You can write like anything like this. About button. So this is the sample application, ma. Now you feel like it is a very easy application, easy to write, right? Now just run this. We'll run this now. Now go to terminal. Exit karo, Control C karo. Stop it. And run the original file. Streamlit. Run. app streamlit.py. Streamlit run app.streamlit.py and you will see your app. Raja running. Wine quality is a heading. Streamlit wine quality ML app. वो बॉक्स भी गिवन है HTML पेज, उसमें टमाटो कलर 10px 15px if you change करने तो बैकग्राउंड चेंज करना तो everything will change like that. So that will provided by React.js people. बोलो शैलेश. Control C के बाद again you need to run. Automatically the URL will come. Again you'll write streamlit run your original file. Acha. Now give the values here and enter it. Answer will come. అరే హరే కృష్ణ కాలిందా? కాలుతుందా? ఏం కాదు, ఒక్కటి చాలు. Please confirm how many are seeing this page. 1, 2, 3. Raise your hands. Thoda high. Very good. Those who are getting error, please come to me. Now type here. Give the answers here and enter the above. Enter it. Open that edge. No, that is that no. Close na, that is close. Which file you ran? Then how this will open? That should only open na. This you run, not this. This name is what? That we need run. Do it, ma, do it. Enter the values. They type here again. If you give empty space, empty box will come. Type here jagah mein. Remove the type here, give the values. So remove the values. 10. Tab karo. Backspace karo. 20. Tab karo. Backspace karo. 30. Tab. Backspace. 40. Tab. Backspace. 50. Tab. Backspace. 60. Tab. 70. Tab. 80. Tab. Backspace. 90. Tab. Backspace. 100. Tab. Backspace. 110 and predict. Click on predict. You'll get the answer of -1969. Huh? Exactly, match. The same thing we done in the Postman, no? The same thing we explain in the app. User will attach this only, na? That is for testing. Yesterday you tested. You have got confident. Then you want to make an app, no? This will share to whom? Users. This is the final one. Like that. Oh, that is your testing, na? Internal. No, that is only testing. That is only testing. That is a different API again. That API is different. This is different. That API also you need to use. You need to share to the React.js people. They will use that APIs. Flash mein, we need to provide. 2 types of APIs will be there. One is local host. That will work on in your laptop. One more APIs will be there. That will work everywhere. Like Amazon app is there. It works for everyone, no? Like that. For that, you need to pay the money for the cloud platforms. So this deployment, this line is there, right? If I share this one in your laptop, it will not work. So we need to deploy it on the cloud. Then cloud will give the one URL, and that URL will work in everywhere. That is nothing but a deployment. That is nothing but a deployment. Tell me how many people are getting, not getting, people tell me. How many are not getting? Come here. Done. Tell me, ma. Somebody called. Manu, what happened? Kumar. Dale. Deepak. You do research in home, na? Close it, open it, uninstall it, install it. I am also doing VS Code only, na? I am also doing on VS Code only. Python, VS Code doesn't like you. Sir, Visual Basic used to have GUI for such purpose. Don't we have the same for VS Code? No, ma. That is GUI. That is different. There is a one more package is there. Tincter or Stinter. Some package will be there. Tincter. Tincter. It is a GUI in Python. It is also user interface. GUI, Tincter. There are so many are there, but Streamlit is nowadays is famous. It's very easy to deploy, easy to create apps by Streamlit. There are so many. Fast API is there. One more thing is called Fast API. Fast API. Fast API is there. Will come like the app will come like this directly. Like whatever you are seeing the Postman view will come on the web page. If you use the Fast API. Fast API is the one package. Streamlit is the one method. Flask is the another method. Tincter is the UI method. There's so many methods will be there. What is the best use case for you? You need to use that. Those who are getting error, please come to me. And today a task is there. If you're not true today, all these things, I will not teach the extra classes like this. Okay. You're not practicing. That is very disappointing me. Okay. Yesterday, as the shared the screenshot, only 10-15 members are done. In our class, almost 20-30 members are there. Where is the 30 screenshots? In online, there are 40 members are there. It's the error. ఇది పర్మిషన్ ఎర్రర్ అంటే button what is access socket internet kind of thing this is ఇంటర్నెట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ అనేది సపోర్ట్ చేయట్లేదు సో ఇందులో లేదు కదా సిడి వర్చువల్ కదా అనుకున్న కమాండ్ ప్రాంప్ట్ వెళ్తాం Streamlit run perma python అనుకొండలో చేయి అనుకొండలో ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిందా సిడి ఫైల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇక్కడ. ఫస్ట్ రీడైరెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. పర్మిషన్ ఎర్రర్, యాక్సెస్ పర్మిషన్ లేదు నీకు. ఇట్స్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఆఫ్ యాక్సెస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. స్ట్రీమ్లెట్ ఈమెయిల్ ఏమైనా టైప్ చేసావా? ఏం టైప్ చేయలేగా పక్కా? ఇది ఇప్పుడు రిజాల్వ్ కాదమ్మా. ఒక పని చేయి, ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ ఒకసారి మార్చి సేమ్ ఇక్కడే దీన్ని రన్ చేసి ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ మార్చి. So today your task is, there's a one more file I have shared ma. One more file I have shared. Salary data set. Salary data set. The codes also already shared with you. That only one column is there, one output is there. Simple. One column, one output. First of all, step one is, what is the, tell me what is the step one you need to do? Step one, you need to write all the steps. All the steps and implement the .ipynb file. Implement the .ipynb file. And in this only you need to save the model also. You need to save the model also. And you need to load the model also here. All the steps we covered same as it is. You need to load the model and you need to pass the test case. You need to pass the test case also. That is the one step. And second step, so same thing you need to implement that Flask API. And you need to check in the Postman. You need to check in the Postman. And the step 3, you need to check the same thing. You need to create the Streamlit app on top of that. Streamlit application. The code is already shared with you. Actually, that code is not required. We already done the normal code, right? That same code only. Code is already shared with you. Data also I think shared. Data is also already shared. Data also there. I will come by 12:30 into the lab. Okay. You need to sit in the lab. You need to complete and you need to complete in this in 2 hours. Okay. Everyone should go to the lab. You need to complete in 2 hours, all these 3. Only one column is there. You discuss it, you do it and submit all these things offline people. Online people by 12:30. Those who are office, you can leave it. Those who are doesn't office, you can stay. You need to stay that. Online people also by 12:30, you need to share. Office people by end of the day. Office people by end of the day, you need to share. These skills are mandatory. These skills are mandatory. Not only develop the model, you need to learn the skills. Yesterday my manager working on Fast API. Okay. There is so much is coming. Whenever we connect the OpenAI, we are getting the timeout error. We doesn't know what to resolve, how to resolve that is. We are still in that process. Yesterday the Fast API, we doesn't know how to upload the data file also. So I figured something. Then I talked with Surya and Surya has helped me to create that, how to upload the data file in that. So these skills are very, very mandatory. So you need to know the idea. Ideas are very, very important. If you take the light, then no one will help you there. No one will help you. So by 12:30, you need to share this everything to me. I will come and I will check after the 10:30 class. Understood? Let's see how many you people are doing. How many are really interesting. Interested? Will do, ma'am. Deployment. But the thing is, Ravani, what is the problem is, you people are not disappointing me. That is the problem. This I am ready to do. After the Saturday class, I am thinking myself, should I really explain to these people? Okay, you can't question me because this is not in the syllabus. But I feel like that is important, but you are not practicing. What should I do? That is the problem. I want to teach Azure ML cognitive service also. That actually ML of thing, cloud thing. But you are not doing anything. How can I get the interest to teach more? But I will teach. I will teach this also. Deployment also will do. What is the purpose? What is the purpose? You are not learning, you are not doing. What is the purpose? But you know, I am the one-side lover. I will love you. I will teach you. Don't worry. Chalo, go start the work. Excellent. The problem ఉందమ్మా ఓకే ఏదో ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి పోయింది అది సంథింగ్ తీసుకొని ఆ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడికి పర్మిషన్ రావట్లేదు దీన్ని ఎలా రిజాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే అది చేసి తెచ్చుకో data file is there or there, can you please check that once? Data file is there or not, can you please check it? Salary data. Please check the data file. There, right? No. Chalo, do it. I'll be back by 12:30 in the labs. Please share that our outputs. I will create the assignment also. You need to zip the files, you need to upload that. I will tell you how to do that. Connection error, permission error. Give me some time. I will check this. Look at the documentation. This is how to resolve this. This is a little tricky. Give me some time. So there are three files, ma. There are three files. One is IPYNB file, and second one is that flask .py file, flask file, and third one is .py file, Streamlit file, and fourth one is your .pkl file, and fifth one is Postman screenshot, and sixth one is Streamlit application screenshot. Okay, this screenshot you need to provide. 6 files, 6 things you need to provide. Okay, the total 6 your outputs. Chalo, thank you so much.
క్లీనింగ్ డేటా అనాలిసిస్ చేసిన దాంట్లో
Hmm.
డేటా క్లీనింగ్
Hmm.
ఎవరు చేసిన అప్లోడ్ చేస్తుంది
దేంట్లో ఇది ఏ డేటా
యాక్చువల్లీ
టెక్నోయాక్స్ ఇది ఎంఎల్ డేటా కదా హౌస్ ప్రొడక్షన్ దా
డేటా అనాలిసిస్
డేటా ఓన్లీ డేటా అనాలిసిస్ ఇంతేనా?
ఓన్లీ క్లీనింగ్ వరకు వస్తుంది. రిమూవ్ టైర్స్ అండ్
అంతే టాస్క్ 1 అంతే.
టాస్క్ అంతే. అదే ఇదే టాస్క్.
ఇన్సైట్స్ రాయి మరి.
చేసిన ఎట్లా రాయాలి సార్?
అదే ఇక్కడ నువ్వేం అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ రాయి. ఇప్పుడు
కామెంట్స్ రాస్తున్నాను. దాంట్లో ఆపరేషన్ చేసిన ప్రతి దాంట్లో కామెంట్స్ రాస్తున్నాను.
ఓకే
ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ కాలంలో 40 తీసుకున్నాయి. సో అవుట్పుట్ లో రిమూవ్ చేయాలి కదా.
చేయం. క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ కాలం. ఇప్పుడు మీన్ మ్యాక్స్ మినిమం.
ఇది టాస్క్ సెకండ్ టాస్క్ కదా. మిన్ మ్యాక్స్
అదే మినిమం ఎంత పీ క్లాస్ ఉంది స్టాండర్డ్ డివియేషన్ అని ఇక్కడ రాయి. ఒక తీసుకొని మార్క్డౌన్ వేసి మార్క్డౌన్ లాగా రాసాయి నీ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్. ఇక్కడ మార్క్డౌన్ లాగా బుల్లెట్ పాయింట్స్ లాగా రాయి. అది సంబంధించిన బుల్లెట్ పాయింట్స్. తర్వాత చిన్న చిన్న అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండింటిని కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నాం అనుకో, ఈ రెండింటిని కంపేర్ చేసినట్టుగా రాయి. ఇది ఒక బాక్స్ తీసుకొని అదొక బాక్స్ తీసుకొని రెండింటిని కంపారిజన్ రాయి. సప్లోట్ లాగా పెట్టి రాసేయి. అట్లా చేసేయి. చిన్న టాస్క్ కాబట్టి అంతే సరిపోతుంది. అది లింక్డ్ఇన్లో అప్లోడ్ చేసేయి.
ఎక్కువ రోజు
దేంట్లో?
ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో అప్లికేషన్ ఉంది కదా.
ఆ.
కాలమ్స్ ఎక్కువ bulk గా ఒక
అందుకే వాళ్ళు తీసుకుంటారు, రియాక్ట్ చేసి వాళ్ళు చూసుకుంటారు. అది మన టెస్ట్ కేసు వరకే వేసి ఏపీఐ ఇస్తాం వాళ్ళకు.
శాంపిల్ వరకు ఇచ్చి
ఆ.
API ఇచ్చి
ఇది జస్ట్ మీకు ఐడియా కోసమే ఈ యాప్ చూపెట్టిన ఇలా ఉంటుందని రియల్ టైంలో. సో ఇప్పుడు పెద్దగా ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఏమైనా చేసుకోవచ్చు, అది వాళ్ళు చూసుకుంటారు కదా. వాళ్ళు ఉన్నది అందుకే రియాక్ట్ చేసి వాళ్ళు ఉన్నది ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ డెవలపర్స్. మీరు ఇప్పుడు దీనిలో ఏం చేయాలంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఏ మోడల్స్ చేసినప్పుడు దానికి మీకు అంత పెద్ద డేటా ఉండదు. సో ఎన్ఎల్పి ఉంది, ఎన్ఎల్పికి ఇలాంటి యాప్స్ తయారు చేయడం, లేకపోతే నువ్వు ఒక పెద్ద డేటా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తావు, దానికి తగ్గట్టు సమ్మరీ అనేది డిస్ప్లే కావాలి. అలాంటి టాస్క్లు ఎన్ఎల్పి టాస్క్లు కానీ డీప్ లెర్నింగ్ టాస్క్లు కానీ ఇమేజ్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తావు, అది క్యాటా డాగ్ అని చెప్పాలి. అలాంటివి నువ్వు యాప్స్ తయారు చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇక నీ ఓన్గా. ఉండవు, ఫ్రీగా ఉండవు. ఏ సురేష్, you are asking me location, that is very bad. There the data files is there in our thing. Data files.
సార్ ఇది మీన్ స్క్వేర్ ఎర్రర్ ఇంత వస్తుంది. హౌస్ ప్రిడిక్షన్
ఎంత వస్తుంది? 45 వస్తుందా? ఆర్ఎంఎస్సి అనుకో.
ఆర్ఎంఎస్ అంటే ఇంత వస్తుందా సార్?
అంత రావద్దు, అది నీకు తేడా ఉన్నట్టుంది. అగో 75, 62, 12 స్టాండర్డైజేషన్ చేసి చూడు.
అంటే ఏ కాలమ్స్ చేయాలి నాకు అర్థమైంది సార్. చాలా కానీ డైమెన్షనల్
చలో దే ఆర్ అవుటింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్, దే ఆర్ వెయిటింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. పంపించేసి ఇలా కొట్టేసి అందరిని.
టీచర్ సెలెక్షన్ ఫీచర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఎట్లా చేస్తారు సార్? నాకు అంత కన్ఫ్యూజ్.
టీచర్ సెలెక్షన్ ఇంకా చెప్పలే నేను.
చెప్పలే కానీ
ఫీచర్ సెలెక్షన్ మెథడ్స్ ఉంటాయి.
రిడక్షన్ అని చూసిన నేను ఆన్లైన్.
పీసీఏ
అర్థమైతలేదు సార్.
చెప్తా నేను ఉన్నా కదా, నువ్వు వరిగాకు. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు మోడల్ అన్నావు, మోడల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసిందా? అర్థమైందా? ఏది
స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను
ఎంఎల్ పైథాన్ అనేది నేను చేస్తా కదా. 4-5 గంటలు సెషన్ తీసుకుంటా అంటే నీకు 1 వీక్ ఒకటే కనిపిస్తుందా?
ఎంఎల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్
Do in the lab, I will come. Go in the labs. Chalo, they are waiting outside. No, I'll check today. I'll check today. Message me. I will come 12:30, no? Let's discuss there. You can. Oracle certificate database. అప్పుడు చెయ్యి మరి, ఇంకేం బాగానే ఉంటుంది. చెయ్యి. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ బయట చేసి మళ్ళీ నువ్వు ఎగ్జామ్ ఓచర్ ఇస్తారట్నా చేసి. ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ జరిగిందా?